Hello everyone. In the month of January, I visited the tent city at Dholdo, Gujarat. Actually, we had a 10-day trip to Gujarat. Uh, from Bangalore, we started out and we reached Vadodara and subsequently to Rann of Kutch. We stayed in Rann of Kutch for almost 2 nights and 3 days. That is the package I took from Rann of Kutch tent city. I am just giving an input so that it will be helpful to all of you. Rann of Kutch is a beautiful place to visit because it should be a part of your itinerary when you visit Gujarat, and you must visit Rann of Kutch. And the accessibility either from north or from south is extremely good to Rann of Kutch. The nearest railway station and airport is Kuch. We actually booked our tickets and our place at Rann of Kutch tent city. We had a fantastic experience there. We really liked the arrangements which were made, and we never felt that we were staying in tents. The tents are quite luxurious, and it is, I can say that starting from the stay, the atmosphere which is created there is of five-star quality and extremely premium. The second aspect is you have the tents and the services provided inside the tents are well thought of and extremely good. Third, the facilities available inside the tents, I took a premium tent, are extremely good. They provide AC also in tents. Uh, Coming to the food, the food is five-star rated food. They have a fantastic dining hall where they provide only vegetarian food, and they provide Jain food also and non-Jain food also. And you will be spoiled for choices as far as the vegetarian food is concerned. The quality is superb, whether it is breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Everything will be served there, and you don't have to go anywhere else. As far as the facility is concerned. One important aspect also I would like to tell is they have got lot of other activities other than the normal visits to Rann of Kutch, sunrise, sunset, and Kaladungar village and all. They have number of activity areas inside the Rann of Kutch tent city itself. Also, at nights they do a number of cultural program, and it is well thought out setup and very well maintained tent city. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. I have divided into how to reach there and how to book tickets, and I have put some photographs of the tent city. Hope you will like it. Thank you very much.
Now coming to how to reach Rann of Kutch. First, I will start from south. See, anybody down south from Kerala and Tamil Nadu, they can come directly to Bangalore first. So once they come to Bangalore, you can go via Tumkur and to Hiriyur, Chitradurga. This is Davangere. This is the route I am talking about. See, here it comes. This is AH47, Davangere, then Hubli. You can have your lunch at Hubli. Hubli has got a fantastic Big Bishra Peda hotel. You just put it in the net, you will come to know. It is a multi-cuisine restaurant, very beautiful. You must visit on the way. Don't miss Big Mishra Peda. Then after Hubli, you can go to Belgavi and you can have a halt at Belgavi. I traveled from Mysore to Pune straight 920 kilometers in around 20-22 hours. So we went via Belgavi, Kolhapur, Satara, and then Pune. We had a halt at Pune, and from Pune we went via Mumbai-Pune highway through via Lonavala. Then we went to Nasik. No, we did not go to Nasik. Now Navi Mumbai we caught this road. Okay, then reached Surat, the same road. Vapi, Valsad, Navsari, and we went to Surat. Then via Bharuch we went to Vadodara. We had a halt at Vadodara, and from Vadodara we took a different route. But what I suggest is, because we wanted to visit Gir National Park and all, so what I suggest you is you go to Ahmedabad, and from Ahmedabad you come to Halabad. Halabad say you have to come to Samakhalli. Wherever you come from, you have to, this is the place. From Samakhalli you can go to, see, there are two routes to Samakhalli. From Samakhalli there is Rapid, and then this is the road to heaven route, and then you reach Dhordo. The other route is Samakhalli to Bhuj, and from Bhuj to Dhordo. So if you are planning to see Dhordo first, you come here. But if you have any plans to visit early morning, you peel off from Ahmedabad and come to Rapid, and then see the Rann of Kutch road to heaven, and then you can come and halt at Dhordo by evening, where they will ask you for a evening event start only after 2 o'clock. So evening sunset they will. So if you start early morning, suppose if you are coming from south, so you are having a halt at Pune, instead of having a halt at Vadodara, you halt at Ahmedabad. From Ahmedabad you hit straight to Samakhalli, take Rapid route. See this early morning, early in the morning you start off, and by around 10:30 you reach this Rann of Kutch. You explore this Rann of Kutch area. And then here there is Dholavira also. Here in Dholavira you see the museum and the Dholavira site and all. Then by evening around 4 o'clock you reach Dhordo, where you will be ready for the evening sunset point. Otherwise you can come to Samakhalli and then Bhuj and then go to Dhordo. So either way it is good for you. You can plan the way you want. So people who are coming from Delhi and other north can come to Ajmer. From Ajmer you can come to Udaipur via Jaipur and have a halt at Udaipur, or you can come straight to Ahmedabad and have a halt at Ahmedabad. So these are the two routes, from north and from south. East and all, people can come directly to the place. See here, what I suggest to you is, if you are flying, Bhuj has got an airport, and there is a pickup facility given in that package itself. They will come and pick you up from Bhuj, whether you come by rail or you come by air. The package consists of picking up from Bhuj railway station. So if you are coming by air or by rail, you come to Bhuj, and then you take a 3 nights 4 day package. They will take you to Dholavira, Dhordo, this road to heaven route, everything, and everything will get covered in that route. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the official website, the tent city. Okay, if you click here, it will take you to Rann Utsav Tent City. It is rannutsavtentcity.in. Okay, now they are offering 15% discount because it is now summer. The best time to visit Tent City is from November to January. That is somewhere in end of October to end of January. If you visit after that, it will be quite hot since it is a desert. Now coming to packages and pricing. See, there are number of packages they offer: 1 night and 2 days, 2 nights and 3 days, 3 nights and 4 days, 4 nights and 5 days. Now I will explain. If you have already seen Gujarat and you just want to see the white sand sunrise and sunset, 1 night 2 days is good enough. But if you want to see both the sunrise and sunset on the white sand, and also want to visit the villages nearby, Kala Dungar and all, then you require 2 nights and 3 days. But if you want to see the Bhuj museum, that is earthquake museum, and also the Dholavira and the road to heaven, then 3 nights and 4 days will be good, because they will be catering for the vehicles and all when you go there. So let us see the activities, then you will understand which package is good for you. See, when you visit especially the Dhordo area, that is Rann of Kutch, see, then there is, first is the White Rann is there, then Dholavira is there, road to heaven, then there is a Mandvi beach very near to Rann of Kutch, Then Vijay Palace, these are all very minor. Kaladungar is good, you should visit because it is Indo-Pak border. Then Bujodi will be there. Now, what I suggest is, if you are going by train or by flight, I would suggest you take 3 nights 4 day package, because you will be able to see White Run, sunrise sunset. Then you will be able to see Kala Dungar the next day. Then they will take you all to all these Vijay Vilas Palace and all. Then they will make you visit Mandvi beach also. And the next day, on the third day, they will take you to Dholavira and Road to Heaven, and you will be able to see the Bhuj Museum also. However, if you are traveling on your own vehicle, I would suggest you take 2 nights 3 day package. See the White Run sunrise and sunset. See the Kala Dungar the next day, and do the shopping at Kala Dungar. And on the third day, next day morning, you leave to Dholavira. This is the road to Dholavira is extremely good. You don't have to worry about cross country driving and all. It is a completely BT, that is black tarmac. You can go to Road to Heaven, cross the Road to Heaven, enjoy the Road to Heaven. That is, that lake is there, Rann Lake, and it a road cuts through the lake, so you can see water, green, blue waters on both the sides. Then you reach Dholavira, visit the Harappa Mohenjo-daro site, and visit the museum, and then you fall back to Ahmedabad. Okay, so that should be your general plan. Now, coming to packages and pricing, it is already given here. They have got various types of tent: non-AC tent, deluxe tent, premium tent, super premium tent. It is pick and choose. We stayed in the premium tent, and it is extremely good. Tents are extremely good, and the package per person per day includes your food, staying, and moving inside the Rann city. Rann city is very big. You may have to walk around 200 to 300 meters from one place to another place. So in that case, they have e-carts available, which will take you wherever you want. All you have to do is just give a call to reception, and they will send an e-cart. So it is completely organized, and food is extremely good. It is all 5-star rated food and accommodation. So for the period, suppose if you take a 2 night 3 day package, they will be catering for all your lunch, breakfast, dinner, everything will be catered for. You don't have to worry about that. And second important thing is, I went for a 2 days 3 nights. See, you stick to these timings. The timings they have given you, go through it. I am not going to describe all these things. You stick to these timings, because if you don't come at the place where they have told you to assemble for the buses to move, because they will be taking you to if you have to go to Rann of Kutch, the morning sunrise and evening sunrise, it is around 1.5 to 2 kilometers from tent city. So they arrange buses for that, but you have to be there at the exact time they have told you to be there. If you are not there, they will leave you. Similarly, they will take you to Kala Dungar bus. That bus is organized and it is included in the package. The buses will take you to Kala Dungar. It is 1.5 hours drive from tent city. They will take you there. You will visit all the places. You can do the lot of shopping there. Do the shopping and then come back. Don't do shopping at tent city. It is quite costly. Whatever shopping you have to do, you do at Kala Dungar. Okay. So these are the packages and the various things available here. You please go through it and pick and choose. But the package is quite good, very cheap. You should go and enjoy the tent city facility available. Thank you.
इसके नाम बताना, सही सही कहना, गलत गलत तो छुपाना, सही सही कहना, गलत गलत तो छुपाना, सही सही कहना, गलत गलत तो छुपाना, सही सही। कासिद कहा क्या उसने, कासिद कहा क्या उसने, बताना, सही सही कहना, गलत गलत तो छुपाना, सही सही कहना, गलत गलत तो छुपाना, सही सही।